We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello all, myself Dr. Shanti Verma, working as assistant professor in LG Institute of Computer Applications. Today, I am going to discuss about Python programming language and helps you to write in your first Python program. As you all know, the Python is a very powerful language nowadays. Python is used in various industries where they can use this language in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, etc. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about how to write your first Python program. And I show you a live coding of Python programming language. Let's first discuss the learning objectives. Introduce Python interfaces, learn working with idle, printing statement in Python, string methods in Python, and a live example of write a program to perform all arithmetic operation using idle interface. Now, Python interface. Idle is a Python interface that is a cross-platform Python development environment. Python Win is a Windows-only interface to Python. Python shell is running Python from the command line, opens the interactive cells for the exercises. We will use idle, but you can try them all and pick your favorite. Now let's discuss the development environment of idle. Idle helps you program in Python by color coding your program, debugging, auto indent, and interactive cell. As you see in the figure, comments are in the red color, strings are in green color, definitions are blue, keywords are orange, here class and pass is a keyword, and output is in blue color. Let's take a one example to print a hello world in a screen. Hello world is print in the standard out that is in your monitor. Let's open idle and try it out. This is a Python interface. In this Python interface, this triple greater than sign is a prompt. If I can write print hello world and press enter, it gives the output hello world. Now let's try some of functions for string operations. Assigning a string for string trying a string method, first assign a string to a variable. Let's take HW is a variable where we assign any string, and we have to try title upper is digit and is lower function. Title upper returns a string while is digit and is lower returns a boolean value, means either true or false. The string held in your variable remains the same. The method returns an altered string. Changing the variable requires reassignment. So let's try these in our window. Let's take a one variable hw equals to hello. Now let's type first the title function hw dot title. It returns a string where the first letter is capital. Next try hw dot upper. This function convert the whole string into a uppercase letter. Let's try hw dot is upper is false because hw in hw variable I have written all the letters of hello in small case letter. Let's try hw dot is digit. It also gives false as there is no digit in a HW. Now we have to let's try uh, let's try an example where I can write a program for performing all the arithmetic operations. For this we have to first create a file using the idle editor. This is a file. This window is open using click on file new file option in a idle compiler. Let's take example where the values of the integers are constant. Let's take a one variable a equals to 10, b equals to 20. If I write print addition as a plus b, it's written the 30 by summing the value of a and b. For compiling this file, we have to first save this file. The by default extension for saving this file is .py. This file is already exists, so I just replace this file. Now let's compile this file, and after compiling you can see the result is 30. So this is a simple addition. Now let's try the another functions, multiplication, subtraction. For power function, power means a to the power b. We have to write operator a double star b. Let's again save and run. You can see the addition is 30, subtraction is -10, and power is this. Let's take again and change this coding as a user defined input. For user defined input, we have to use a input function. In input, you have to write your message, enter first number. This inputs always return a string. as we have to perform a arithmetic operation, so it is compulsory to we have to change this string into an integer by using a typecasting. So here I do a typecasting, converting string into a integer. Similarly, I can write input enter second number. Now again save and run. You can see it's tell you to enter your first number. So I press 2 as a first number and 3 as a second number. The output is addition is 5, subtraction is -1 and power is 8. This is the first program where you perform all the arithmetic operations using idle editor. You can use different types of exception handling functions also for performing this particular program. Uh, Thanks for watching this lecture. If you have any query, then please contact me at shanti.verma@ljinstitute.edu.in. Thank you all.